Deen Dayal Port Authority Kandla is the largest major port in the country, located in Kutch district of Gujarat state, under the administrative control of the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Government of India. It has been ranked number 1 among the 12 major ports of India in terms of cargo handling for the past 15 years. Presently, Deen Dayal Port is having 16 dry cargo berths, 1 offshore terminal at Tuna Tekra for handling multipurpose cargo traffic. For handling liquid bulk cargoes, there are 6 oil jetties at Kandla and 3 single buoy mooring (SBM) and 2 oil jetties at OOT Vadina. In line with the goals of PM Gati Shakti, Deen Dayal Port is undertaking a slew of projects promoting multimodal connectivity. Master Plan 2047 has been formulated for DPA, consisting of 6 pillars, out of which the second pillar is Green Port, in which DPA has identified 4 focusing areas to invest and encourage the environment-friendly and sustainable operations in all formats towards Green Port initiatives. Under shore-powered operations, tugs, pilot boats, mooring and survey launches are being operated on electric supply. Under zero-emission fuels and standards, 2 numbers of Harbour Mobile Crane (HMC) are made electric operated as a pilot project, and 4 numbers of diesel-operated RTGs converted to ERTGs, and retrofitting of a hybrid reach takers to be done in 2023 by the PPP operator. Under the power generation from renewable energy initiative, DPA has installed wind turbine of 20.7 megawatt located at Amreli, 14.7 megawatt at Jodia Jamnagar. DPA has installed 45 kWp solar rooftop at local St. Joseph Hospital under CSR as green energy generation. PPP operator has installed 400 kWp solar plant at the container terminal. The target of meeting 60% of total power requirement from renewable energy has already been achieved. As a green fuel initiative, DPA is developing bunkering facilities at Kandla on PPP mode. Under digitized port operations as an energy-saving initiatives, 1,500 HPSV have been replaced by LED, which has lessened CO2 emission up to 554 metric ton per year, with annual energy saving of 36 lakhs units. Further, RFID automation in all entry-exit gates have been commissioned. Paperless operations, e-office, EBS, ERP, SAP, etc. have been implemented. Also, app-based truck parking has been introduced. Under Intelligent Control Devices, Cisco IoT pilot project on energy management and monitoring have been envisaged. SCADA-enabled wind energy generation system and strengthening and upgradation of existing substation by implementing the state-of-the-art SCADA system in the year 2023. DPA has also focused on other green port initiatives for pollution mitigation and mechanization, modernization such as sprinkling system for coal dust suppression system operating in 40-hectare and under development in 34-hectare coal yards. Deployment of 2 numbers of truck-mounted mist cannons and road jetty sweeping machines. Screen wall installed in the storage area to prevent coal dust. Development of Goga Hajira Ro-Ro-Ropax terminal, which had reduced the vehicular movements and resulted in lessened CO2 emission up to 5,012 metric ton per annum in 889 trips. Ayush Van Rotary Forest has been developed by Rotary Club. 100 acres of land is given to Government of Gujarat Forest Department for afforestation. 50 hectare out of 100 hectare mangrove plantation has been carried out under the guidance of Gujarat Ecology Commission (GEC). In future green initiatives, DPA is planning for shore electricity to the coastal, foreign, EXIM vessel. Another 2 numbers of HMCs shall be made electrically operated in upcoming year. Tug Kalinga and pilot boat Niharika to be retrofitted by hydrogen fuel cell instead of diesel engine as a pilot project under the guidance of MOPSW. 4,000 acres of land has been identified at village Chopadwa of Bachau Taluka for 150 megawatt hybrid solar cum wind energy park. 14 numbers of electric cars are to be hired in this year and 3 numbers of EV bus to be procured for internal movement for port employees. Partial smart lighting done and in complete shape to be done through TERI, the knowledge partner in NCO EGPS. 10 numbers of weighbridges are to be converted to unmanned, automated type. Planning for remote monitoring of HMCs in year 2023-2024. Further, mechanizations have been planned for handling of fertilizer and other clean cargo at CJ number 13 to 16 and planning to mechanize coal handling through conveyor system. DPA is committed to become Green Port under Master Plan 2047 vision. दीन दयाल पोर्ट अथॉरिटी, कांडला, समुद्र से समृद्धि की ओर।